Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination. We are looking at the theory part of the mathematics questions. And today we are at question 11. It's a series for the solutions in the series. The solution to other questions within the series. Please check my channel. They are very much available. Today, we are looking at question 11, as I said earlier, and the question says, the following table shows the distribution of mathematics test scores in a class. Scores are given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of pupils is given as 1, 2, 5, 3, k squared plus 1, 2, 6, 2, 3, 4. Now, the first question is, if the mean of the class is 6, find 1, the value of k. Roman figure 2, median score. Draw a bar chart for the distribution. If a pupil is picked at random from the class, what is the probability that he or she will score less than 6? Now, for us to get the value of k, since we've been given the mean, the first thing is to solve the mean. And remember, the mean is given as x bar equals summation fx all over summation f. And this x we've been given, this x bar we've been given to be 6. So let us solve our x, which is the score of the student. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at the frequency that we're given as 1, 2, 5, 3, k squared plus 1, 2, 6, 2, 3, 4. The next thing is to look for f of x. So our f of x, we are multiplying f and x together. So this gives us 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 3 multiplied by 5, 15, 4 multiplied by 3, that's 12, 5 multiplied by k squared plus 1, that gives us 5 k squared plus 5. 6 multiplied by 2, that's 12, 7 multiplied by 6, 42, 8 multiplied by 2, 16, 9 multiplied by 3, that's 27, and 4 multiplied by 10, that's 40. So we are going to add summation f. We are going to add f, which is summation f, and fx, which is summation fx. So if we add f, that is summation f, that gives us k squared plus 29. So when we add fx, that gives us 5k squared plus 174. Now remember that we've been given x bar to be 6. That means 6 equals 5k squared plus 174 all divided by k squared plus 29. So let us cross multiply. Therefore 6 into brackets k squared plus 29 equals 5k squared plus 174. So therefore, by the time we multiply, this gives us 6k squared plus 6 multiplied by 29, that gives us 174 equals 5k squared plus 174. So by the time we collect the like terms, 6k squared minus 5k squared equals 174 minus 174. So this becomes k squared equals 0. Therefore k equals 0. So if we find the square root of k squared, that gives us k. So the value of k is 0. Now the next question is the median score. Now to get the median score, we must know the median. So since this k square is 0, then the frequency that will be here is 0 plus 1, which is 1. So if we add everything that we have here, it gives us 29. Now, for us to calculate the median score, we must know the median class, and to get the median class easily, we need to calculate our cumulative frequency. Now, we're going to add the frequency in succession, and that will give us the cumulative frequency. 0 plus 1, that's 1. 2 plus 1, that's 3. 5 plus 3, that's 8. 3 plus 8, that's 11. 1 plus 11, that's 12. 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 2, that's 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 25 plus 4, that's 29. Now, since the summation f equals 29, the median class will now be 29 divided by 2, which is 14.5. So if we approximate this gives us 15. We will now come to the cumulative frequency and look for where we can find 15. So 15 is here. So we are going to trace it. What is the value of our x here? So the value of our x is 7. So the median class, the median equals 7. So that is the median score of this distribution. Now, the next question says draw a bar chart for the distribution. To draw a bar chart, we are going to make use of this value on the x-axis, and we're going to make use of the frequency on the y-axis. So let us go and draw our bar chart. Now, when x is 1, our y is said to be 1. So when x is 1, our y is said to be 1. So our x is 1. So one thing about bar charts, there must be space between the bars. And make sure whenever you are constructing your own, please ensure that you use a ruler. Now, when x is 2, our frequency is 2. Remember, I'm making use of the table that we were given. So our x is 2 and our frequency is 2. So when x is 3, our frequency is 5. So this is 5. So that is where we are coming. Please ensure you use a ruler. I'm using my bar hand to draw. It must be straight. So when x is 4, our frequency is 3. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. So when x is 5, our frequency is 1. 5. Frequency is 1. When x is 6, our frequency is 2. 6 and 2. So when x is 7, our frequency is 6. 7. 6. Please ensure you use ruler when you are drawing your home. When x is 8, our frequency is 2. 8. 2. So when x is 9, our frequency is 3. So please, this is a sketch. Ensure you use a ruler. It must be straight. When x is 10 and frequency is 4. The bottom line here is that this bar must not touch one another, and they must be straight and accurate. So this is our bar charts in a nutshell. Now let us go back and see the next question. And the last question says, if a pupil is picked at random from the class, what is the probability that he or she will score less than 10? Now, the probability that he or she will score less than 10 is, this is the score. This is less than 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to look for the pupils that are between less than 6. So the probability of less than 6 will not be, what are the frequency for less than 6? That is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3. This is 1. Recall that our k is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. All divided by the total number of the frequency, which is 29. So probability of less than 6 will now equals 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 5, that's 8. 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 plus 1, that's 12. That is 12 over 29. So that is the probability of less than 6. So if you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Until I see you again next time, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much.